Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to replace the inner tube on a bike tire. Get yourself a new inner tube and get yourself some tire levers. Okay, here's the bike. First thing you're going to do, take the tire off the bicycle. Next, take your tire lever, get it underneath the bead. Now, you see this little hook guy? Hook that right on the spoke. It holds it right there. Grab your other tire lever and put it underneath the bead further down the tire and flip it down. Hook it onto a spoke, or continue zipping this all the way around. Once you've broken the bead free, you can follow the rim, get the tire away from the wheel. Then go ahead and take your valve stem cap off, pull your inner tube out of your bicycle tire. Open up the new one. Careful with knives and inner tubes. They pop easy. Go ahead and take the valve cap off. Find the hole in the rim where the valve goes through. And ever so gingerly place your inner tube inside the wheel. Once you get everything located, you could give a couple pumps of air from your bike pump, and that helps form the inner tube inside the tread. Don't do too much air, because then it makes it hard to put the tire back. But once you get the inner tube in, go ahead and bring that bead back into the wheel, being careful not to pinch your inner tube inside the rim, because it can cause a flat. Go ahead, fill up your bike tire,